For this, you're going to need some Cat 6 wire, scissors, crimping tool, wire cutters, and RJ45 tip. Usually I start by trimming about 2.5 inches of the wire sheath or insulation off the edge. Right. Okay. Then I start by spreading apart all the wires. You can cut it off. I personally just pull off. There's an inner metal, or I'm sorry, not metal, inner plastic insulation in between the wires on Cat 6. Yep, yeah, I got it all. Then I usually untwist all of the twisted pairs in no particular order. You are going to want to do them all. Right. This part I usually, now you're going to want to straighten them out. Makes it easier to push through the RJ45 tip. You can use your nail, you can use your finger, however you find it best. Oops. Wires are pretty resilient. You can pull on them pretty hard to get it when you're straightening it. I usually go over it once or twice before I get it flat. Alright. Usually at this point now I order them. You can have it written down, you have it want. But the wire pairing I'm going to be using is 568B. That's typically the best. It's better than 568A because of the twist ratio on the wires itself is better. So it's white, orange, orange, green, white, then blue, blue, white, green, white, brown, and then brown. I have a little saying in my head for remembering which I start in first, and the orientation I put it in the actual RJ45 tip is orange left, brown right, tip down. Now you're going to want to see how these are all different lengths. They don't line up evenly. Just take your wire cutters, get them all nice and flat, snip them. That'll be nice and easy. Like I said, orange left, brown right, tip down. Tip, I mean the little latch that holds the tip in. And then, so you'll just stick it in. And then maybe you have to wiggle it just a bit. And then here we go. I usually twist the wire as I put it in the tip so I can align them better. You want to get the tip all the way in. So you're going to want the white sheathing or whatever color sheathing you have on your wire in. Usually at this point, then I verify that all the colors went in properly. So I usually just fan it out real quick. So we got orange, white, green, blue, blue, green, green, white, brown, brown. And then we got that. Just give it a twist to make it go in. Push it all the way down. Now you're going to align it on my crimp tool. So it's going to go in just like that. I just twist tie those just to get them all nice and even. And then come here. And then just get it nice and tight. Pull it there. My particular tool, it does shave a little bit of the plastic off the front of the tip. This little bit here. I usually just rip that off. And there you go. That is one RJ45